My name is Diksha. I am studying in 6th standard. My school name is School Kanamadagu. My today topic is pronouns. P-R-O-N-O-U-N-S. Pronouns. H-E-P S-H-E she, I-T hit. He is a boy. His name is Ajay Kumar. She is a girl. Her name is Bharati. It is a table. It is a book. It is a paper. It is a box.
Thank you.
Thank you.